Hi guys, hello. Karti kami banga-bangan. Ne, ni Mr. Seki ni Juwek sigarilyo da pa. Ta, ne. Yan. O, tingnan nyo yung malaking banga. Yung malaking banga dito. Ayan. O, malaking banga. Diyan sigbabak. Siguro ti pag-isbuan. Diyan. Ne. Malaking banga. Picture ka? Ne, malaking banga. Pwede nga akyat? Malaking banga dito. Picture, picture. Ayan. Ayan, banga-banga. Yun na yan.
Matay makita.
Hindi ko maanay, babanag nga to. Mga makita di banga. Hindi ka nga picture Ayan. Ne? Ayan. Anong parte niya ng parte datoy? Santa Maria. Isabela. Ayan.
Ay takay nga magtanyit at lumalang.
Baba. Ayan. Ayan. May fountain doon. Saka yung ano, may bolso doon o. May bolso. Nandyan. Yung malaking baka. Ayan, malaking banga. Hindi pag-isbuan. Ano? Fountain pa dito. Ito ang ano, Santa Maria, Isabela. Yung malaking banga doon. Ayan. Okay. Dito na kami sa ano, bahay ng kapatid ko sa bundok. Ayan. Ayan.
Toilet bro. Hindi toilet paper na lang, gamitin na dyan. Tanong ma.
Tabo-tabo.
Hi YouTubers. So at the moment I'm in the province of Apayao, which is mountainous and beautiful. So I found a bit of paradise, guys. It's beautiful here. I'm with my family. Joey is here with me today. Joey drove us. So hey Joey. And over there is my brother-in-law Morris, and this is Morris's home. This is where my godchildren live. It's a beautiful place. It's raining a little at the moment. It's a very simple place. Chickens, turkeys and ducks. You can't see a lot at the moment, but it's just mountains. Very, very simple place. A simple little house. A very simple place. And they own the land right over to the mountains there. And over to where the coconuts are over there, the bucco. We've decided we're going to help. And the best way we can do that is to maybe buy them some goats. It's not a lot, but it's something that will help them because they can breed goats and farm goats, sell goats and make money. And I think that's the best way I can help my family and of course my godchildren. So Maurice has already started. He's made a little fence for the goats and an area down there. Somewhere for them to live. So I think the fence will have to be a bit higher yet. It really is. It's a beautiful place. There's Nanai. There's washing. The outside kitchen. Is this an easy one? Ah, that's better. No electric pumps here, guys. Just pure fresh water from the mountains. It's a nice place to live. There's a brother's house over there. This is where the chickens are and they lay eggs. So you'll find on a morning there may be some eggs in there, the little nests. And over here, tilapia fish. How peaceful is this, guys? So you can get fresh tilapia fish. Simple little house and a simple life. You know, as a foreigner living in towns and cities, we've got our priorities wrong, guys. This is pure peace. This is where you should be. This is where you would find real happiness. In the middle of nowhere. You know, having lots of money, it doesn't impress. The real wealth here is family, good health, and making a living. Look at these now. I mean, I could just go to this tree right now. We have a fresh papaya. Could literally just pick it straight off the trees. More papaya. You want fish? You've got it. You want ducks? You've got it. Plenty of turkeys. This big fella here, look. Thank you very much. I got some calamansi bushes at home, guys, but you know what? Nothing like this. Look at these. These are big calamansi. I love calamansi. Get it fresh, straight off the bush. Loads of it. Papaya and calamansi. I said it's raining at the moment, but when it stops raining, I'm going to send the drone up so you can have a proper look round, and then you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. What's the matter, puppy? What's wrong with you down there? Huh? Are you coming for a look? Yeah. Okay, there's a good boy. Tell you what, guys, this rain is nice. It should clear up soon. Look at the view. Look at that. It's not really a road. It's just a bit of a track to get to the house. But look at this. Lots of land. Maurice's father, he owns a lot of that mountain over there as well. There's Mrs. C down there doing the washing up. How's it going, Mrs. C?
Province life.
Yeah, province life. That lovely fresh clean water, guys.
Yeah, from the well.
From the well. There's the ducks.
Turkey everywhere, chicken.
Turkeys, chicken, ducks, dogs. Brother Morris. And Marisol.
Big pens. Why is so small on there? More pens. Or pigs.
Yeah. We've got some more pig pens further up. Plenty of rain at the moment. Am I in your way?
Oh, babe, I'm waiting for sister to...
I she's in the house somewhere. She was. Province life, guys.
Sabihin kung paano